I wish you a Valentine's Day. I wish you a Valentine's Day. I wish you a Valentine's Day. Now get on my stars. Welcome to Cooking with the Fisherman and Friends Christmas Special. Here with us today is Alphasar.
Hello, my dearest fisherman.
And my new friend, Fatbeard. Kiss the eye, says I. Arr. Today I will be cooking honey mustard glazed porcelain.
Please help.
Put a sock in it, matey. That sucked me down my pants, says I. And I haven't showered in 10 beautiful years. They always whinge. You learn to tune it out. You will need the following: porcelain, maple syrup, honey from the deadliest bees. My suggestion is make some dumb basket.
Call?
Mustard, I grow my own with mustard seeds from my garden. Garlic, brown sugar, an apple, some fairies from the faithful garnish. Side note, don't let the authorities know you have these. Step 1, you need to remove the guts from the porcelain. Step 2, remove its arms and legs. Step 3, clean out its cavity. Can you do this, Alphasar?
I guess?
Step 4, combine maple syrup, mustard, honey, and garlic, then pour onto the porcelain and slather on top. Step 5, place an apple in its mouth. Step 6, put it on tray and cook for 15 minutes per pound. Looks like we didn't need the sugar after all. My suggestion is throw it on the ground between two homeless people. They will fight over it. Same works with Catholic priests and small children. Once cooked, grind up the fairies' rings and sprinkle on top.
Help me!
Keep the fairies alive for maximum enjoyment. Then serve to all your friends and family that you didn't kill this year and say Merry Christmas. Now I will show you how to make some eggnog strong enough to put Fatbeard on his ass, and some fruit cake I made for a special someone. Now for the eggnog, you will need some Taurus milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, also from my garden, some sugar that Fatbeard stole from a merchant ship, hand-cranked heavy cream made with love, and white woman extract, also made with love. Lastly, some goblin blood ale, which you can find in our first episode, and 2 copper eggs.
Wait a minute. Are those mine?
Nah, Fatbeard gave them to me. I sure did. Arr. Step 1. Combine nutmeg, cinnamon, milk, and white woman extract and boil. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, mix in sugar and eggs till as pale as Alphasar here, slowly. Gotta do it slowly. Add hot milk mix to eggs and whisk.
My favorite.
Step 3. Cook over fire till thick like Fatbeard and remove from heat. Stir in my heavy cream and goblin blood ale. When ready, serve with fairy garnish, cinnamon, and whipped thick cheese cream supplied by Fatbeard. He told me it was local produce, which is important. Now I have a special recipe I have pre-prepared. It is a Christmas fruit cake. The fruit is from the Olympian Mountains for the highest quality fruit. It is for my long-lost son, who I have not seen in 20 years, who has somehow tracked me down, and I think that achievement deserves the best fruitcake ever made. I will now present the cake to him as an apology for not being there all those years. Is that you, Dad? It is me, son. How did you find me? I looked for you in the yellow pages after seeing your shows. That is all well and good. Here is a cake to make up for 20 absent Christmases and birthdays. Gee, thanks. I love you, Pa. I love you too, son. Why, Pa? I ain't paying 20 years of child support. Merry Christmas, everybody! I would like to remove my name from the yellow pages. My son tracked me down and I had to kill him.
You killed your son? I have to call the guards.
Shit, well I guess we have time for one more episode. I'll be showing you how to cook green haggis.
Get
You're
on your
under
knees,
arrest.
gnome!
You will never take me alive! And also it was Officer!
Car?
Welcome to Fishermen and Friends. I will be showing you how to make toilet wine. What a little man. You shall be my bitch. I'll give you some toilet wine if you take Officer. Deal.
Car?